Wrim Unboxed. Imagine a time where wrestlers would win championships and they would have like awesome belts on them made of gold. Now imagine playing POG and winning a championship and earning a belt that you could strap around your fanny like a pack. This is the POG fanny pack. Let's open it and see. Ow! I'm bleeding. Ah. Oh well. Let's open it. Let's see. Oh no, I have sneeze. The blind sick was one. Oh, one. Oh, I'm bleeding more. No, more sneezing. Christmas. Oh. Gaglugas napust nangal kapust gangwa kumquat. Bleeding. I need bandaid. Oh no, sneeze. One more. Sneezy. Gan smile singong. Yes, help. Uh, 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 thank you. Everything is good to go. Let's open this. We have some American newspaper. And look at this. April 15 is tax day. And there's Uncle Sam. I want you to buy a home. Yes. So let's see it. So, more paper. Imagine this enormous. Oh crap. This is this unboxing is spiraling out of control. So imagine this enormous heavyweight belt that wrestlers would wear. Here we go. And I have to be honest, it looked a bit bigger on the auction thing. So it's kind of small, but let's open it. No more sneezing. No more blood. Please. And here you have it. The World POG. 100% authentic Pogman Federation. World POG Federation Fanny Pack. And it still has this thing on, which is nice. At the time, it was worth $6. And it has like, oh, there's like a big plastic thing here on the back. There's no, this is just a hanger for the thing. I'm stupid. Sorry. Hold on. Let's remove this. Oh look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. And then budget is ruler. Never seen this before. That's cool. So a little fanny pack, and then you can open this. You can what's this? Whoa. Anything in it? No. No. Brown paper from America. So there you have it, the World POG Federation Fannypack. Thank you. Goodbye.